everyone. It's Miss Justine here to show you how to do this week's craft, the tissue paper windsock. First thing you're going to do is make sure that you have everything that's in your kit, that you have scissors, glue, either a glue stick or white glue will work, and optionally some tape. Inside your kit, you should find 1 piece of construction paper, 4 pieces of tissue paper, 1 piece of yarn, and 1 container of sequins. There's also a calendar inside which has all of our programs that are coming up for the month of June. So we hope we'll see you at some of them in the library or virtually at uplnj.org. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is cut up the tissue paper into small shapes. You can make them whatever shape you want. It's just what you're going to layer onto your construction paper to make the main part of your windsock. So I'm going to do kind of scale looking shapes, but you can make it however you want. So once you have cut all of your pieces into various shapes, you're going to take glue, either white glue or a glue stick, whatever you prefer, and attach the tissue paper to the construction paper in any pattern that you want. So don't forget, you also should add the sequins when you're decorating so that your windsock will shine in the breeze. All right, so let's see what that's gonna look like. Okay, so once you cut up all of the tissue paper and you glue it onto the paper, make sure you add your sequins, okay? So you can open your container and there's all sorts of different sequins inside, so feel free to decorate with them. You should be able to just glue them on like regular. Okay, so as you can see, I've put my sequins on. Now, as you wait for the glue to dry, you can lay it to the side and use the rest of the tissue paper that you have to cut long strips that are going to be able to swing in the breeze, okay? So let's see what that's gonna look like. So I'm gonna take my tissue paper like this and just cut the strips this way. So once the glue is dried on your piece of paper, you're going to glue the long sides of the construction paper together to make it into a tube shape. So what that's going to look like is this. So I'm going to put glue on this piece and this piece so we can glue it all together. Okay, so now that I have put the glue, I can stick it together like this. This is a little easier with a glue stick because it dries quickly, but if you have white glue, that's okay too. You just might need to hold it for a little bit longer. Okay, so now we have our tube, our windsock tube. So the next thing you're going to do is glue or tape the tissue paper strips inside of one end, like this, to create a tail. The tape will make it so it's instantaneous. You can use it right away. The glue, you might need to wait for it to dry. You can see it looks like this. The last thing we're going to do is take our piece of yarn and attach it to the top, so the other side, not the side with the strips, so that we can hang it up. Again, you can use glue or tape, but tape will make it so that you can hang up your windsock right away. I suppose you could also take, if you have a hole punch or something, you could tie the yarn on, but it's up to you. Whatever you want to do, it's your craft. Okay. All right, and there we go. We can hang up our windsock, and we can put it either outside, maybe on a porch, maybe inside near a window, so that when the wind blows, it looks very beautiful. And we at the Union Public Library would love to see your windsock. If you want to be featured in our online virtual art museum, you can send us a picture of your craft to kids@uplnj.org, and we will be sure to put it online. You can see other crafts you've sent us or crafts that other people have sent us at uplnj.org/kids. And we look forward to seeing you in the library soon. Bye, everyone.